Hello there, lovely people. Today I will be showing you how to install Minecraft for free. There will be no small fees or anything. You can also launch your own server. The only thing that you will need is to use a launcher and create an account for the launcher. So this site will be linked down below. All you have to do is press on the download and it will download the launcher. But before you close the site, create an account so that you can use it in the launcher. Creating an account is free. You can also use free skins. Alright, now that we have done all that, we can go to where the download is, and open it, and install it. After installing it, you will have the same tab open as me. After that, go to Settings at the bottom right and make sure the directory of the folder is where you want, and you can adjust the memory allocation as well. The more memory, the faster it will be. After you check and make sure everything is up to your liking, press on Save and then go to the left bottom to Accounts, and then Configure Accounts. Now you can use the Microsoft official version of Minecraft here as well, but we want the free version, so since we earlier made an account in the website, we just type in our username and password down below, and just like that, we have our account added and full ready to go. So now that we have everything set up, we can install the latest version of Minecraft or older versions, whatever you prefer. And as you can see, the game fully opens and works normally. Now, if you want to add mods or maps or shaders, just go back to the launcher and press on the TL Mods button down on the right corner, and you can see mod packs, mods, resource packs, shaders, and so on. You can explore and enjoy Minecraft for free. I hope the video helped you. Have a wonderful day, and take care.